Introducing the latest in portable technology. This full washing machine with spin dryer is both compact and lightweight, making it ideal for camping or caravan trips. It features 2 tubs for washing and spinning, with a capacity of 3.6 kilos for wash and 2 kilos for spin, with a speedy 15-minute wash and 5-minute spin cycle. Washing machine, water fill hose and a comprehensive manual are all included, so simply add clothes, water and detergent and press start. Lighten your load in your next adventure with the portable washing machine.
Hi, I'm Howard Szilagyi and I led the team which developed Lavario. Our goal was simple: design the best portable clothes washer in the world. We wanted it to be non-electric and hand-powered so it could be used anywhere. And we wanted it made in the USA. We wanted a simple machine which could do small loads, but not just socks and underwear, jeans and sweatshirts too. We tested all the popular portable washers sold online, all in the $60 to $100 range, and we were surprised by what we found. None of them could properly wash even light articles like socks and underwear. There were hand-powered models that worked like a salad spinner. Clever, but the function was poor. There were barrels which sloshed your clothes around, and there were small electric models that sprayed water. Then we studied full-sized washers. Top loaders have agitators which beat on your clothes, and front loaders reverse rotation, so clothes simply slap against each other. New thinking was definitely needed. Then the light bulb went on. I remembered washing my jeans on a sailboat. I attached a rope to my jeans and dragged them behind the boat. They came out astonishingly clean. So our breakthrough was to drive a continuous flow of water through the fabric, just like on the sailboat. We took the piston and cylinder approach. The piston was the basket containing the clothes, and the cylinder was the bucket holding the water. The up and down motion generates a continuous flow of water which blasts dirt out of your clothes. We were awarded our patent in September of 2017. Lavario was meticulously engineered for durability and performance. We are just immensely proud of our washer. Yes, we are $25 to $50 more expensive than competitors, but we stand alone with the best portable clothes washer in the world. The only one that washes real clothes like jeans and sweatshirts. Lavario is worth every dollar. That's why we guarantee your complete satisfaction or money back. Lavario, eco-friendly, made in the USA, best in the world.
Today I am super excited to show you this portable washing machine. I'm so excited about this for quite a few reasons. I've never had one of these before, but we are big campers, and I'm really excited to have a little way to do laundry on the go. You know, a lot of places you go have laundromats, but sometimes you don't. Sometimes, you know, if you're just out camping and then something happens and you have, we have young kids, so say they have an accident or something like that and you really need to get something clean, this is so amazing to have. Or just say you have stinky wash rags, stuff like that, or you run out of clothes and you need to wash what you have. This is a really great option. This would also be really great if you're traveling. Say you're traveling abroad and you literally can only pack a little bit of clothes, or you don't have an option to have, you know, a lot of clothes with you. You could definitely bring something like this to refresh your clothes instead of being, you know, instead of packing a ton of clothes with you. So a lot of cool options. So I'm gonna break this down and show you how it works. And if I didn't mention this, it's collapsible, which is really, really great. So it has this lid, but this starts at, it's 11 inches wide, but then tall, it's 9.5. So when it collapses down, here's show how light and skinny it is. It's 3.8 inches, so super compact. You could easily fit this in a suitcase or store it somewhere if they're camping supplies, to make it really easy.
You have to plug this in to so it can work.
Yep, so you gotta plug it in. So you have to have it, you do have to have electric for it. There is, so let's expand it. You wanna expand it for me? So it just really easily collapses up or expands up. I'll hold the base. You just push down. You're too short. Got it? Okay, there you go. So just a really nice rubber silicone here. If you look inside now, there's your center, which is your agitator, and then there's a max fill line as well, right up in there. And then there is a nice carrying handle. your plug, obviously, and then you have your on off. And so I'll fill this up with water and show you how to do it, but you do hold it down for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then you push the power button to start it and pause it, and then you do hold it for another 2 seconds to turn it off. The washing machine runs for 5 minutes. I think it's 5 minutes, and automatically shuts off after 10. So that's a super nice function as well, that if, you know, say you have to leave, it would automatically turn off versus, you know, running for an extended period of time. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fill it up and wash some towels and some socks some towel and socks that we have. You know, it's not a ton of space, but it's enough that if you needed to do a few pieces of clothing, maybe some small towels or kitchen towels, things like that, that you could certainly do that. So this does have a drain plug as well at the bottom. And so you just unplug it, make sure you plug it back in before you make sure you plug it in before you would refill the water. But what I would do is probably fill it with detergent, let it, you know, rinse really well, and then drain it, and then just put some fresh clean water in and let it rinse again, kind of like you would a normal wash machine. Rinse it with the detergent and then re-rinse it with just water for a clean rinse cycle. So okay, so you can see the lid is off, and so it agitates. I had it a little above the max fill line, but it just agitates the one way, and then it's gonna pause, and then it's gonna agitate the other way. And you can already see all the dirt that's pulling out of those clothes. So super awesome. Obviously, you would normally leave the lid on, but we were just wanting to watch it. It does have an antibacterial light as well. There are blue lights on the inside of the wash machine. So I guess it does do some antibacterial cleaning along with your detergent, which is pretty awesome. All right, so as you can see, this water is super dirty and gross, so this did a great job cleaning and getting the dirt out of the couple clothes we put in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this now and drain it. The bottom of the, you know, I showed you there, that's where the little drain is. So we're gonna go ahead and drain it and then rinse it up, or I'm sorry, fill it up with some fresh water, like I said, and get it a really good rinse. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this. This is gonna be, like I said, great for travel, throwing in our camper, on the go, and just having a really great option for cleaning your clothes, you know, when you don't necessarily have a wash machine like normal. So again, love that it collapses. Go check one out for yourself, and hope you have fun playing with this, this portable washing machine. So thanks for watching.